Okay, in a fairly miserable day in Armidale, we're just down at the Show and Shine in Curtis Park, and we've found this lovely Douglas from 1947. As you can see there, it's a typical horizontally opposed Douglas. It's in very, very good condition. It's had a mechanical restoration on it, and it joins the growing collection of motorbikes in Armidale, New England, that one day, hopefully the museum out at the airport will get underway and you'll have the opportunity to see great motorcycles like this one. And the best part of it is that it's out on the road, it's still being used, and it's owned by an enthusiast. And you can see there now some of the great details on it, and how nicely the motor and gearbox are matched together. The Earl's fork set up here in the front and the rebound. So I think we might ask you to hit the subscribe button there, because it's starting to rain and we don't want to hold the owner up. So
torsion bar,
yeah, right. Now, one thing that the owners just pointed out to me is something that a lot of the English bikes had. This is a torsion bar suspension on the motorbike that's fully adjustable, and you can see it's a stressed member at the frame, and that's something that a lot of British bikes, Velocette things, didn't have this torsion bar. But the British, despite what people said, were very innovative in what they did. And you look here, it comes right through to the front. You can see the connection down there. So hopefully that museum in Armidale will get up and running sometime. I've been a member of it for 25, 30 years and it's still not up. But hit the subscribe button, add any comments, and if you've got a bike that you'd like to see on YouTube, get in contact with me through YouTube.